A lot of people are posing the question right now, should I buy Shiba Inu Coin or should I buy something else? Now guys, I'm going to even add a third option in there. Maybe we shouldn't be buying anything at all. Now we're going to go over all three of these and see which one aligns best with, I guess, your investment goals, your investment style, and your investment strategy. Because when it comes to buying cryptos, cryptocurrencies are extremely risky in nature. We know that they are very volatile. They go up, they go down, but the overall market forces kind of just driving down on crypto right now. Shiba Inu Coin is not immune to it. All of these other altcoins are not immune to it. Not even Bitcoin itself is immune to the market forces that are driving the prices down right now. But yes, this could be a great buying opportunity, or we might need to sit on our hands just a little bit longer. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day and we are growing our portfolios together. Now look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy cryptocurrency, you can use the link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least 2 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you at least $5 in your choice of free cryptocurrency, and you can choose Shiba Inu Coin if you'd like, so make sure to check that out. Guys, no better time to start than on a dip. It's better to start on a dip than it is on an all-time high. So keep that in mind when you're signing up and get ready to start 2022 off right. But knowing that, let's look at 3 different options here, because you've got the option to buy Shiba Inu Coin, you've got the option to buy an altcoin or any other coin for that matter, and you've got the option to sit on cash right now. So this is assuming that you're not yet in Shiba Inu Coin. I did a video, I posted it, I don't know, a couple hours ago, talking about using caution moving forward right now on making a decision whether or not you should keep your Shiba Inu Coin, you should be buying more Shiba Inu Coin, you should be selling your Shiba Inu Coin. So if you're in that boat, make sure to check that last video out that I posted there and see what that one looks like. But let's talk about right now either buying more or buying for the very first time on Shiba Inu Coin, buying an altcoin, maybe any other coin out there, or sitting on your hands. So the first thing we need to know is what's going on in the overall market. Why are the prices falling right now, and how far down can they continue? So the Federal Reserve is one of the main reasons we're seeing a decline in cryptocurrency across the board right now. It's not just Shiba Inu Coin that is falling. It's not just Bitcoin or not just one coin that's falling. All of these risk-on assets. Now, risk-on simply means that they're assets that somebody buys when they're okay taking risk. When they're okay putting their portfolio at risk, they buy riskier assets. That's known as a risk-on scenario. So when that was happening, people were going out and buying like crazy. Think back in October, beginning of November, and so on. And since then, we've started to fall off, and we are currently in a risk-off scenario based on the Federal Reserve statements surrounding interest rates and inflation. Now, we're not going to go into too much detail about bond tapering and things like that. Just know that the Federal Reserve wants to fight rising inflation with rising interest rates, or by raising interest rates. Now that provokes investors to go to safer assets, which normally don't have very high returns, but as interest rates rise, they will be earning more money on those safer assets. So we are currently headed towards a risk-off scenario. Knowing this, it could last for quite some time. So if you're thinking about going out and buying Shiba Inu Coin right now, you're really going to have to do the legwork on the technical analysis and see the fundamentals and where the bottom is for Shiba Inu Coin. Because I'm going to be completely honest, I do not see the Federal Reserve stopping this narrative anytime soon, and I do not see the risk-off sentiment shifting over to a risk-on sentiment until inflation, until, I guess, the interest rates out there are kind of cleared up and that uncertainty of what could happen next kind of fizzles away, and we are certain, investors in general are certain where the market is going to go and what direction these cryptos are going to take. So if you're looking at buying Shiba Inu Coin right now, I guess the question would be, what is your feeling? on what the Federal Reserve is going to be doing. Will they do exactly what they say they're going to do? Will we run into some surprises? And so on, because it is very, very heavily reliant on the market sentiment. Now, if you're looking at buying an alternative coin or an altcoin, really any of these other coins out there, maybe ones that are just brand new listed, you want to go out there and you want to partake in the gains that Shiba Inu Coin had originally. Now, what you're saying is, I would rather risk my money for very high rewards than invest in something that is proven, that in something that is been around, and Shiba Inu Coin continues to innovate the underlying project. With all of these altcoins out there that might be new to the market, just literally there's tens of thousands of them. There's probably thousands that are created every day. They have the chance to go up in value very, very high, very, very quickly. It's almost a gamble, though, because if you do not know the development team personally, if you do not know the core investors personally, there's a very high likelihood that that project will not work out long term. So if you're thinking about investing in one of these brand new altcoins, trying to replicate the gains that Shiba Inu Coin had in 2021, because I see it all the time. Like every article, should you buy Shiba Inu Coin, or maybe one of these three coins is going to perform better than Shiba Inu Coin. Maybe one of these three coins is going to produce larger gains than Shiba Inu Coin. So I know the question is out there, and I know people want that answer, but you have to approach those as a very, very risky trade. I don't even say that that's an investment. It's a very, very risky trade at that point to go out there and buy one of these altcoins that is yet to make it on to any of the centralized exchanges. So that's your option there. As long as you can accept that answer and as long as you can say, yes, I'm willing to take the risk. These coins are not moving in lockstep with bigger coins like Bitcoin and Shiba Inu Coin and Ethereum and things like that. So if you're not worried about the overall market direction, or if you want to stay away from the overall market direction, you could buy one of these risky assets. Now, finally, the third option, and perhaps what we should be doing at this point, is sitting on our hands and waiting to see what happens, because we know that the market uncertainty is driving prices lower. And if this uncertainty continues on, which it very likely will until we have answers from the Federal Reserve, we are likely to see continued declines in the price of all cryptos across the board, not just Shiba Inu Coin. I can't stress that enough, because it's not just Shiba Inu Coin that is falling. I know Shiba Inu Coin is one of the most heavily watched coins out there. It's one of the most heavily searched coins out there, but it's not just Shiba specific. It's crypto in general because of this risk-off scenario we just discussed. So knowing that, it is absolutely an option to be patient, to sit on your cash and say, well, I'm going to have to see some confirmation back to the upside, or I'm going to have to see some confirmation of what's to come from the Federal Reserve. And that's the much more conservative approach than buying Shiba or buying one of the altcoins that's out there. So I guess, guys, it depends on your investment style, your investment strategy, what fits best for you. And hey, there's no shame in either one of those. They are all viable plays. So let me know down in the comments below which one you guys are going to go with. Are you adding to Shiba? Are you going to test out the market and see some of these smaller coins? Or are you going to be sitting in cash for a while and seeing how the market plays out? If that button's still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram, Webull, Binance, Gemini in the description below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.